Now we can find out the solutions for one cubic equation. Here t cube is equal to minus 125 is given in the problem. First I am taking cube roots for both sides. What will happen? I am getting t is equal to minus 5 because cube root of minus 125 is minus 5. So I got. We have to find out the other two solutions. We should bring ahead this minus 25 to the right side. So it will become plus 125. Okay. So is equal to 0. So now I can write this as t cube plus 5 cube is equal to 0. Now we have one identity. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. See, instead of a I am taking t. Instead of b I am taking 5. So t cube plus 5 cube is equal to t plus 5 into t square minus 5t plus 5 square. Okay, what is this? Is equal to 0. So t plus 5 is equal to into t square minus 5t plus 25 is equal to 0. So t plus 5 is equal to 0, t is equal to minus 5. Already we had. Now, what is the other one? T square minus 5t plus 25 is equal to 0. We are going to apply quadratic formula. What is that? X is equal to t is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. What is a? A is 1, b is minus 5, c is equal to 25. Okay. So t is equal to minus into minus plus 5 plus or minus root of b square 25 minus 4 into a into c. That is 2a. What is that 2a? 2 into a. 2 into 1 is 2 only. Okay. Let us continue this. T is equal to plus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 100 by 2. So is equal to plus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 25 by 2. So 5 plus or minus 25 into minus 3. Okay, that is by 2. That is 5 plus or minus 5 into root 3i by 2. So other two solutions are 5 plus, or we can take 5 as common. Okay. So 5 within bracket 1 plus root 3i by 2. Other one is 5 into 1 minus root 3i by. These three are the solutions. T is equal to minus 5 is one solution. Other two solutions are given here. Okay, thank you.